What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, today I'm talking about the ever popular stock MRIN. One of our subscribers asked me to check this stock out, so I took a further look into it today and I came across something really interesting about a potential short squeeze. Even before I actually looked into the fundamentals about the company and what they do, I came across a Reddit post that makes a case about how MRIN is a potential candidate for a short squeeze. Before I go into the post, I have to make a disclaimer here, which is that I don't own a subscription to Ortex, so I can't verify some of the numbers that this post is claiming to be true. So if you do happen to have Ortex subscription, then please leave a comment below if you're able to confirm some of these numbers. So basically the post goes on to say the following: MRIN short squeeze interest is estimated to be 189% from Ortex. 18.68 million shares shorted, of which only 9.65 million shares exist in float. This is GME level short interest with an even smaller float. You may be thinking, well, since MRIN already had its run up, then most of the shorts are on the top. Yes, that is true. Majority of this short interest is around $5 to $18. But look at the stock price now, it's trending above $20. A whale is pumping the stock to squeeze these shorts. At the day of this DD, only a mere 204,000 shorts have covered, and in fact an additional 108,000 shorts have been added. So this post is about 7 days old, but if you check the price of MRN right now, well, it's well over $20 and it's actually even 20% up in pre-market hours. So the post goes on to say that the cost to borrow is 172% and they have maxed out short utilization. Short utilization is the amount of shorts borrowed from the total available shorts they can lend from institutions. 100% means at any point an institution can recall back their shares and shorts have to cover. Cost to borrow being an insane number of 172% means it costs a fortune to hold these shares each day. So what are my thoughts on this? Well, I agree with the author of this post in terms of the risk element when it comes to investing based purely on a short squeeze thesis. If you are investing based on fundamentals, then that's another thing. But when it comes to a short squeeze, this thing has the potential to go over or close to $40. However, one thing that worries me with MRIN is low volume. So if we look at the chart here, you'll see that we've gapped up multiple times. We had huge volume on the first gap up. On the second gap up, we had lower volume and then even lower volume on the third gap. So unless we get a lot of Reddit users on this train, I think the most likely scenario is that we see a pullback. I think if the low volume persists, we can see a pullback down to the mid $20 or early $20 range. So it all boils down to the volume we get on this stock. Historically, we can see that volume has been slowing down here. Gap ups based on low volume usually indicate a change in the trend or direction, but technical analysis is more of an art than an exact science, and there's so many other factors involved, and it's just to be used as a rough guide. As I said, if we get more volumes, then the short squeeze can occur and we can see $40. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.